We'll start the last last example, fifth one. We have finished the 4 examples. Last one now. You can see that in the diagram or in the figure, PQ is perpendicular on BC. Also, AD is perpendicular on BC. And then we have to find the following ratios which are given below. So, first one is that is area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC we have to find. Second one, that is the area of triangle PBC upon ABC. Third one is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. And fourth ratio we have to find, that is area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. Okay. Now we will start the first one, that is area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC. Okay. So we will write it as a number 1. Okay. See now, as I told you that we should be able to identify the base and height of the given triangles. If we see the triangle PQB, see the triangle PQB. Now what is the base here? Base is BQ and the height is PQ. Okay. So the height of the triangle PQB is PQ and the base is BQ. See the second triangle, that is PBC. See the diagram PBC. Okay. What is the base here? Base of PBC is BC. And what is the height? Height is PQ. So what we are able to see in these two triangles, that is PQB and a triangle PBC, the height is same. Height is PQ. It is same for both the triangles. Okay. So what we are going to consider now? If the heights are same, then we are going to consider the bases. Okay. So we will write the statement here. That is the triangle PQB and triangle PBC have equal heights. Have equal heights or same height we can write. Any one thing we can write. Okay. Have the equal heights. Okay. Now the ratio of what we have to write? We have to write the statement now. Okay. Ratio of triangles with what? With same. What is the same now? Base. I'll just continue here. So with same bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. To their corresponding heights. Okay. So what will be the ratio now? Area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC. Okay. There what is same? Height is same. So we are going to consider the base. What is the base of PQB? Base of PQB is BQ. Okay. And base of PBC is BC. So this will be our first ratio, that is area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC equal to BQ upon BC. Okay, so this is the first ratio. Now we'll move towards the second ratio we'll find, that is area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. Number 2. See now, we'll see the triangle PBC. As you can see here, area of triangle PBC, base is BC, height is PQ. Okay. And ABC. Now see the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Base काय आहे त्याचा? Base आहे BC. आणि height काय आहे ABC ची? height आहे AD. ओके. म्हणजे काय, याच्यावरून आपल्याला काय कळतंय की दोघांचा जो बेस आहे PBC आणि ABC, ह्या दोघांचा बेस आहे BC and the base is same, and so we are going to consider the ratio of their corresponding heights. Okay. So we'll write the statement here, that is triangle PBC and triangle ABC have same basis. Have same basis. Okay. Now we'll write the statement, that is the areas of triangles or the ratio of the triangles with equal ratio of triangles. Area of triangles also you can write it, or ratio of the triangles with equal what? Equal bases. With equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. The statement is very very important, as I told you. So to their corresponding heights. So we are going to consider the heights here. Okay. So what is the ratio now? Area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. Okay. Base BC is same. What is the height of PBC? That is PQ. Okay. And what is the height of ABC? Height काय आहे ABC ची? ती आहे AD. Okay. So in this way we got the second ratio, that is PBC upon ABC equal to PQ upon AD. So here we have considered the corresponding heights. Now the third one, ABC upon ADC. Now we'll see what is the base and height of these two triangles, that is ABC and ADC. ABC, now only we have seen that base is BC, height is AD of triangle ABC. Now the next triangle is, that is the ADC. What is the base of triangle ADC? The base is DC. What is the height? Height is AD. So the height AD is same for both the triangles. So height is same, so we are going to consider the bases now. Okay. Triangle ABC and triangle ADC, they have the same height. Okay. So now we are going to write the statement, that is the areas of triangles with same bases. Sorry, same height. Areas of triangles with same heights. We can write this statement in this way also, or we can write in this way also. Ratio of triangles with equal bases, that will be also do, that is also correct one. And we can write areas of triangles with same height, with same heights are proportional to their bases. Okay. So which are the triangles now? That is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle. What is the next triangle? That is ADC. What is the base now? Height is same. So what is the base of triangle ABC? Base is BC, and for ADC the base is DC. Okay. So in this way we got the ratio of area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC, that is equal to BC upon DC. Okay. Now we'll see the fourth one. Okay. So now which are the triangles? That is triangle ADC and triangle PQC. See now ADC, here the base is DC, height is AD. Next triangle PQC, base is QC and height is PQ. Now here we see that nothing is same, neither base nor height, both are different. So the areas of triangle are proportional to the product of their bases and heights. So here we are going to consider both base as well as the height, because nothing is same here. So we will write the statement, that is the areas of triangles are proportional to their bases and corresponding heights. Okay, bases and their corresponding heights. So which is the triangle now? That is area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. So which formula we use here when the base and height both are different? So B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. So what is the base of ADC? The base is DC, height is AD. Okay. The next triangle is PQC. In PQC, the base is what? The triangle is PQC. Okay. So the base is QC and the height is PQ. So you can see here that in the first problem in triangle PQB and PBC, the heights were same. So we have used the formula that is A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2. In the second one, the bases were same. So we have used the formula that is A1 upon A2 equal to H1 upon H2. Again in the third one, the heights were same. So we have used the formula A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2. In the fourth one, neither height is same nor the base. So we have used B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Okay. So in this way we have completed the practice set 1.1.